First things first, cleansing oil. If you have been watching my videos, you know that this is the Biore Cleansing Oil that I transferred to a smaller bottle. Make sure to put a generous amount on the palm of your hands so the oil can move around, kind of like letting the oil do the work for you. If there's not enough oil, your hands won't glide nicely on your face, and that tends to drag your skin. I know it's quite hard to avoid the dragging part, but experts say that when your skin is moving too much, then you're dragging it too much. So, just do the best that you can. Also, don't forget to show some love to your neck and your forehead. Usually, I clean my face first and then I do my eyes after. Now, this is the hard part. Lashes are so tiny and they need a surface to push against so products will be removed from there, so I let the eye makeup melt first by touching it. That way, I don't need to drag my lids too hard when I wipe it off. And while I'm melting all the makeup, I do touch just the lashes and blink at the same time to add some force. That will move the products as much as possible. Now on this part, it's all up to you. You can wash your face with water right away, but for me, I like to wipe those first layer of dirt off of the skin. Now for lashes, instead of a dragging motion, I push so the reusable cotton pad will absorb the dirty oil. How many of you are using disposable cotton pads? Raise your hand in the comment section below. This cotton pad is so wide so I can use one side for the face and another side for my eyes. It's made with flannel, so it's so easy to wash, does not stain, and it's so soft on the skin. I also like the fact that I can fold it 4 times on both sides to fit my needs. After wiping off the dirty oil, I wash my face with Gabriel soap. I particularly like the original or the papaya version, but I made a mistake by grabbing the medicated one. This soap in general has a tightening effect on my skin after I use it, and they said that indicates that it's stripping off the good oil on my skin. I don't worry anymore because we will replenish it later, you'll see. Now you can rinse your face. I love doing it so much because just by the sound of the water, it already has a satisfying effect. Right? Now I'm feeling clean already. If you have a toner, now is the best time to do that. Put some on your hands and pat it on your skin. Maybe this is for circulation. I'm not really sure why people do that, but for me, it feels good. That's all. Next is moisturizer. This one is Jeju Aloe Soothing Gel. Well, it does not really moisturize, it hydrates my skin. Of course, I also won't skip on eye cream. This is Quick FX eye cream. This is very light. It's also good for hydration. Not for my eye bags, for hydration. I love massaging it under my eye, and if I have a tool, maybe that's even better. The last step is Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Essential Oil. It smells like lavender, so it has a relaxing effect. This has been out in the market for a while, so this is legit. This is an oil, so it acts like a seal that locks in all the products that I have used before this. Now is the time to do a massage and do a finger tapping like you're playing a piano on your face. Ah, this one feels so good. Alright, so have you ever wondered what happened to my reusable cotton pads? See, it's so easy. Just wash and hang it dry outside. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and hope to see you next time.